morning. Good morning. How's everyone doing? Hello, happy Monday. Okay, the market is open. You guys have my plan for today. What levels I'm looking to play on SPY, on the Q, and my watch list for today. Meta, Tesla, AMD. Those are the three that I'm watching today. Okay, morning. Do we have any data today? I'm feeling way better. Thank you for asking. Yeah, way better. I have a doctor's appointment today, like in a few hours, so I might cut the stream short. Yeah, but I feel way better. Morning. Let's see if we have any data for today. Not really, maybe at 12:50. Yeah, 12:50. But by that time, I'll be already done trading. And tomorrow, consumer sentiment at 3. Happy Monday. Okay, let's see if we have a hold of Friday high on SPY, the Q. I want to see Meta also holding that high. So far, our Meta swing is looking beautiful. What are you guys looking to trade today? What's your watch list for today? I still have like 2 runners on Tesla puts for this week. My stop loss for those are gonna be 186. I think as long as Tesla keeps rejecting 186, I think it's bearish. It kind of looks like a bear flag, but who knows? Only in NQ today? Yeah, that's the easiest thing to do, right? Just watching NQ or ES and NQ, and that's it. You don't need anything else to trade. I know most of futures trader only trade NQ. Nvidia is very strong. Yeah, it's holding Friday high. That's pretty bullish. Next resistance is 909, 908.50, around there. On Nvidia. Yep. Watching Apple to see if it's gonna reject Friday's low. It's kinda there fighting that level. It has a big gap below, and Microsoft is holding Friday high as support, which is bullish. Tesla right now looking pretty strong. Meta is the one that I really like, but I already have a swing on Meta. But I think it's holding Friday's high. That's pretty bullish. So that's the one that I really like for today, or at least for this week, if keeps holding Friday high as support. Yes, why not? Look at Meta. Meta looking beautiful. I want to see SPY kind of pulling back to 512, 512.50, and pull back here. And if this level acts as support, that will be my entry. Okay, I like the Q here. The Q is looking pretty good. I kind of wanted to wait and have SPY at this level. Like I don't like how SPY is in the middle of nowhere. It's between my resistance and my support. But the Q held very good here. Okay, Tesla crossing 186. I'm gonna sell the 2 runners that I have. Okay. Anyone took this Q play? That was perfect hold of Friday high. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen here, because Nvidia is kind of at support, and I think Nvidia is the one that is moving the Q up. This is what I'm waiting for. I'm kind of waiting for this and then to play the upside continuation. If we don't have that, I'm gonna have to wait until the SPY goes here and maybe play a little scalp like rejection there, or wait until it breaks out, wait for break, retest, and then we play the upside continuation. Either or. Ooh, Apple's looking ugly. The daily on Apple kinda tempting me to play puts here with a stop loss above morning high, that first 5-minute candle high. But I'm gonna wait a little bit more. Yes. Okay, I like that reaction there on Apple. I'm getting ready to pull the trigger on Apple puts. I'm gonna go in the money 185. I'm sorry, that is not in the money. 180. 180. Oh, you know what? I don't like that Apple has 180 and then 182.50 and then 185. That's so odd. I think the closest one is 182.50 puts weekly, but I'm not in yet. I'm waiting a little bit. It's kind of weird because Microsoft is holding very good, Nvidia is definitely bullish, but Apple is looking pretty weak. Mana is looking pretty good so far. And I kind of want to see Apple losing that morning low. No, Apple didn't have a big gap up. The gap up was on Friday after earnings, not today. I'm gonna take these out because I want to see my charts clean. If I see Nvidia breaking 909, 909, 910, I look to play this upside on the Q. But right now, even though the Q and SPY look very bullish, I don't know. I don't feel confident to play this upside. Okay, Apple. I got in Apple puts. My stop loss is gonna be if it breaks strong the VWAP. Yes, I'm walking on a treadmill. I'm looking to play the gap on Apple. Okay, I like that reaction on Nvidia. I like that reaction on Microsoft. That's gonna help Apple to go lower, maybe. I don't use daily averages. I don't use moving averages. I only use levels. But yeah, maybe it's better to wait for a break and retest there. Up to you what to do. Nvidia so far is pretty strong. Same thing with Google. I think what else is stronger than, like, okay, so we have Google very strong, Nvidia too, but Meta, Microsoft, and Apple not doing anything. In fact, Apple and Microsoft are looking very weak. Meta is doing nothing, pretty much. It's kind of holding, which is, I like seeing Meta holding. Friday high as support, that's bullish technically. AMD, I want to see AMD breaking and holding as support 154, 154.30 around there. Morning. Let's watch Google. Google, if can hold Friday high as support, is very bullish. I'm gonna be very patient here to play futures because both SPY and the Q are not really near any of my levels. So I basically need to wait and see what's gonna happen here, especially SPY. It's in the middle of nowhere. I need it to be either closer to my support or my resistance. Whoa, Nvidia crazy strong. Nvidia don't care about anything. Just going. Nvidia needs to hold here, 910. Google is fighting Friday high. Apple is doing nothing. It's kind of fighting Friday's low. Keeps rejecting there. AMD is looking pretty good so far. Meta looking weak. Apple looking weak. And SPY and the Q not doing anything. Barely moving. Nvidia is all green. I like this AMD 154.50 break. I kind of want to see a strong break that, and then I will for a red candle, kind of like a pullback to enter and play the upside continuation for a possible entire gap fill till 158. Apple is looking beautiful. What's with Nvidia? Nvidia's crazy strong. But NQ is not moving, like the Q is not even moving. I guess it's because we have Nvidia going higher, but Microsoft kind of looking weak and Apple very weak. And SPY is like stuck there, not doing anything either. My screen size is, I have 37, 34, I think. I don't remember. But you guys have my screens down below. You have there the links for my screens, my walking pad, my standing desk, everything. Morning. So yeah, spine the queue, not really moving much. So far, I don't love anything other than that Apple Friday low reaction. But I don't like anything for futures. Let's see what IWM doing. Right, our resistance. It's right a very strong resistance right now, RTY. Microsoft, Google now being very weak. Apple trying to hold here. But yeah, so far we have nothing, like not much happening other than Nvidia. If you catch Nvidia, congrats. I'm following my plan on Meta. If it's not on my stop loss, there's no reason for me to sell. Ooh, I missed that 154, that retest on AMD. Yeah, I missed it. Any of you catch that one? I was distracted. Oh, well, whatever. I'm on a swing since, I think it was Friday, yeah. The swing is already up, so it's up to you if you want to lock profits, if you want to hold, if you want to leave runners. I'm holding. You caught AMD? Nice, nice. AMD looks beautiful. I honestly don't like how the market is looking. I don't like that the like QQQ is only moving a little bit higher because of Nvidia. I don't know, I just don't love how SPY and the Q are moving. They're moving very, very slow. Maybe we have a slow grind to the upside, who knows? Any reversal chains for scalp? Yeah, I guess so. But I don't know, I prefer to go with the trend, not against the trend. Especially if it's not a resistance. AMD. That 154 pullback was so beautiful. Was perfect. That was my plan for AMD and I missed my entry. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I feel the thing is like it's very uncomfortable. Like my lower back hurts more if I'm sitting or if I lay down. Like, but if I'm walking or standing, it's not that bad. It's okay. That's up to you guys. Up to you. I'm not trading in the middle of nowhere. I trade either at my support or resistance. SPY and the Q are not there. It definitely looks like a bull flag on SPY and the Q. I'm gonna leave it a little bit more room to Apple and see if breaks Friday close, because it could still go a little bit higher and reject there again, and that technically is bearish. Yeah, so I think the play today was this entry, but that was too early for me. I don't like trading like right on the first 5-minute candle. Or Nvidia 890. And 154, 152 on AMD. SPY just, it's doing a gap and go. So basically gap up and then keeps going. Like I said, I don't love anything so far, so I'm gonna wait for good setups. I like this Tesla reaction here. You guys green so far, red, or waiting just like me? Red because you following me? So you're red because of you, not because of me. If you follow anyone, you're gonna be red, no matter what, because you have no idea what you're doing. So don't blame me, blame yourself. You were the one that pulled the trigger. Yeah, just people like that, it just like think trading is very easy and they think they just can follow anyone without having any knowledge and then make money. Whoa, what happened there? That was a big candle on Meta. if we have a like very slow grind to the upside, I think I'm not gonna trade anything on futures because it would take forever. I need to get out of here in like 50 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, anyone that blames other for their actions, it means you're just a kid. You're not, like, you really don't understand how it's trading. Come on, just move, do something. Meta time for re-entry at 453. Do you have any confirmation that Meta is gonna hold 453? You need to wait for confirmation. Not because you have a level, it means you're gonna enter something. What's the message there? So far, Meta is not telling you that it's holding. We need to be patient and understand what's happening. And if you didn't catch a trade, it's fine. Tomorrow we're gonna have more opportunities. Or maybe later today. I don't know. But you need to be able to wait for good setups. At this moment, the market is giving you nothing. The only one that I could see happening is maybe Nvidia pulling back to 905 and flagging there, and then we could play the upside continuation. But other than that, I don't love anything. Also 154 AMD. Pretty much the VWAP. 154, 154.50, around there. Do I like coin? I haven't looked coin, honestly. Let's see. Nope, I don't like coin unless it breaks 240. Needs to break 240 for me to really be bullish on coin. 240 is a very strong resistance. It's 239, 240, around there. So this is what I'm looking on coin. Needs to break this resistance. Otherwise, I don't like this upside because it's been rejecting this level 1, 2, 3 times, and it was support before. So unless you break this level here, this high, I don't care what coin is doing, honestly. I honestly don't like anything. I don't love anything. I don't like how the market's moving so slow. Like, I don't trust this upside. I don't know why, but I don't trust this upside. $407 Microsoft could be very interesting if it really holds there. That's around Friday high, and it's kind of trying to hold there. Apple looking weak again, but it's doing nothing. Give me 1 second because I need to see. I want to see what's gonna happen here. The Dow is doing nothing. Nothing at all. Kind of looks like a big head and shoulder. The neck will be this one here, but yeah, it's doing not much. Like on the daily, this thing is not even moving, so for me it's not worth it. But yeah, it definitely looks like a big head and shoulder here. But to play these, I will need to break first the neck and then retest, and then we play the downside. What a boring morning. Unless Apple dies, that will make my morning. I want to see Nvidia losing the VWAP. That will be like confirmation that we're gonna go lower. But if Nvidia holds here, 906.50 with the VWAP, this is probably just a bull flag. Yeah, that's a bull flag on Nvidia. I'm gonna go long here on the Q. Let's see. If the Q loses the VWAP, I'm getting out. Ooh, the 407 on Microsoft looking pretty good. Anyone got that bounce? 407 bounce on Microsoft? Okay, so look to Microsoft 5-minute time frame. Look how it was showing you that it was holding and making a base at 407. Completely different from what Meta is doing, because Meta is looking pretty weak at support. So there you can see how you will look to enter at support. You can see how the candlesticks were telling you that it was holding 407 all the time, and that was Friday's low. You can see it bouncing here, and then it kind of consolidate here. This is so slow, so slow. Next 2 minutes, I don't know. Who knows that? Why next 2 minutes? No idea. Again, I say this over and over and over again. We cannot trade based on what we think is gonna happen. We just wait and see how it's reacting to either levels or the VWAP or whatever you're trading off. And my spending on fees and commission, so what? I don't see, like, why? I don't see, just first make money and then think about like commissions and fees and taxes and all that. That doesn't matter if you're making money. How much I'm gonna pay on fee? I don't know, $10? Maybe? 5? Maybe less? Doesn't matter. Just trade good setups. That's all you need to think about. Be patient, wait for good setups, and that's it. Follow a plan. Okay. You really have no idea what you're talking about if you're concerned about me spending money on fees. Of course. That is so dumb to think about not trading because you're gonna spend on commissions and fee. What did I use? I used this tool here on TradingView. High vibrations. Okay, so I like this Nvidia hold. I want to see Microsoft holding the VWAP and making higher highs and higher lows here. And Apple is doing nothing, but it's holding pretty good. So we'll see in a few if this is really a bull flag or we're gonna reject and go lower here. AMD crazy strong. A little bit above a little bit under 158.50 is the entire gap on AMD. And I missed that play. That was the play that I wanted to do today. AMD gap fill. The gap, but I'm gonna take profits around a little bit above 180, a little bit above 178. But I don't know if that's gonna happen. Like, technically, if we see the bigger picture on Apple is rejecting Friday's low, right? But it's holding very good, and I don't know if it's gonna keep going lower with the Q holding and SPY holding and Microsoft and Nvidia holding. Yeah, it definitely looks like a flag here. Let's see if this really is gonna work out and break out. So far, Nvidia looks like a flag also, and it's looking pretty bullish. I need this thing to move because I have a doctor's appointment at 1, so most likely by 11:30 I need to be out. I want to see Meta holding 454. Do something, move. Meta is fighting there 454, 454.50. You want to see it holding there. Do we have any important data coming up this week that the market is doing nothing? Yeah, like getting surgery is like the last resort, and I don't think I'm gonna do it. Also, my uncle is like works on that, so I do whatever he says I need to do. Today we have one Fed speaking today. Oh, Tuesday. Okay. Okay, so now Meta is showing definitely like wants to hold there. Hold that support. Come on, just break out. Move. Do something. It looks like this is the resistance that the Q is fighting. This here. Kind of this one here. Was resistance, I'm sorry, was support, support, resistance, support, support, support here. Or 55.60. I don't know, I don't see it. SPY kind of looks like it wants to boom boom. Yep. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Go. Look at Meta. Meta is fighting there. That was a break and retest of Friday high. Very clean on Meta. Tesla still looks like a bear flag. Still looking like a bear flag there. Look at this. Here, you have it's rejecting, kind of went higher, rejecting here. Still kind of look like a bear flag to me. Like this. Go, go, move. The Q needs to break this high. Come on, keep going. The Russell, let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's holding there. Definitely, yeah, that could be a good break and retest. It's holding that resistance support. So if it keeps holding, it looks very good because it definitely show you that this level here, this resistance right now is acting as support. So yeah, so far it looks very clean. Break and retest here. Come on, boom boom for me. Boom boom. SPY need to break this little resistance here. Keeps rejecting there. Need to break this little resistance and act as support. We want to see a SPY holding this as support. Same thing with the Q here. But SPY is definitely stronger than the Q. I don't like, we don't want to see these type of candles here. With long wicks at the top, that's rejection. Microsoft looks like an inverse head and shoulder. Nvidia needs to break that high, like 917. Yeah, I don't like this move here. Because that way I'm not trading 20 MNQ and 100. I'm trading 120 on 20 accounts. It's completely different than 2 NQs. Also, that way I can take some profits on the way up. I can scale out. Commission doesn't matter. And I'm trading this way because that way you keep it, you manage your risk better. It's not the same thing as trading 2 NQ on one account than having 20 MNQ between 20 accounts. That will be only one on each account. And that way you don't blow up your account. I'm Venezuelan. Yeah, remember to like the video. Like and subscribe. That's an ugly reaction on SPY. Thank you. But we keep holding here the VWAP on QQQ. Meta is still holding very good. Same thing with Nvidia. Same thing with Apple. Microsoft kind of holding there also. Yeah, I was thinking on doing that. I was thinking on doing that. I answer those questions every day, right? Meta's waking up, which is awesome for me. I need the Q also to move higher, and I'll be done for today. Tesla kind of tempted me to go short, but I don't think I'm gonna do it because I honestly wanna kind of close everything and just get out of here because the market is so slow, it's getting boring. That reaction looks pretty good on the Q. You need to get out of Meta. Meta is right now is looking the best. Getting ready. Like there's no reason to get out of Meta. Like when I mean to get out of everything, I mean futures, not Meta. Meta is so far looks like I'm green already because I entered on Friday, and so far it looks like a very good swing. Apple not so much, but technically is bearish because keeps rejecting Friday's low. These futures trade is making me sweat. Making me sweat because I'm walking faster on my walking pad, not because I'm nervous. Come on, break out. Go. Move higher. Yeah, that still sometimes happens to me. Sometimes when I'm short and I want to sell, I play sell and I'm buying more. That happens to me sometimes. It can be a little bit confusing, yeah. If you're shorting anything. But I started like 7 years ago trading penny stocks, and all I did was shorting penny stocks, and I love doing that. But I lost all my money shorting penny stocks. But I used to love doing that. I think that's why I like so much when the market is bearish. My biggest gains comes from shorting the market. Morning. That was beautiful, Meta. That was a very clean break and retest. Come on, Q, just move. Go. Go for it. Vito's getting ready. But I didn't lose money because I was trading penny stocks. I lost money because I had no idea what I was doing. Yeah, every time I see something like going slow up and up but slower, like right now, I don't trust. Like, I feel anytime they're gonna like break down and bleed. I think that's why I don't love trading the upside when we have something like this, like very slow. And I don't love getting in after the first move. I like getting in at my support if I'm playing the upside. Most of the time, if at here, I don't buy it. I don't trade here. I don't love trading here. Even though it looks like a good setup, I just like buying low and selling high, not buying the middle of the move. And yeah, if it breaks morning high, you want to wait for a break and retest, and that's your another entry. The best entry was at 454. Buy high, sell low. Oh yeah, if you're shorting, definitely, yeah. Yes, it is. It's a little bit tough. I will say the best thing to do is just waiting until it breaks this high and then wait for a break and retest there. It's the best thing you can ever do, because honestly, when we have market like that, when I'm sitting, I get super like anxious and I wanna just close my computer and not wait for any setup. But if I'm walking, I'm okay waiting. I'm more patient, because at least I'm doing my 10k 12k steps per day while I'm waiting for a good setup, right? I do between 10 and 15k steps. Well, treadmill, you guys have the link below. There you have my walking pad and my standing desk. Microsoft looks pretty good. It needs to break that morning high. Okay, the good thing here is that at least I'm trading futures and I'm trading with options, because Theta will be killing me if I were holding QQQ contracts. I have like 34 minutes, and then no matter what happened, I'm out. There's a bunch of good videos. I like one that I sent you guys on DM. What's the name? I think if you put future for beginners, yeah, you get a few. I like Riley's videos. I think his videos are pretty good, and he sculpts futures. I actually put that on my coffee every single day, every morning. Meta looking fantastic. Microsoft too. Apple is looking good also to the downside. So we have a very mixy market. Span the Q, keep doing nothing. Holding the VWAP, but rejecting resistance. That's awesome. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for being here. Okay, looks like it's gonna stop me out here. Let's see. See how's this 30-minute looking at? Ooh, the 30-minute on SPY is looking pretty bearish. And we're still holding. So we have Nvidia holding pretty good. So far, Meta is holding very good. Apple is looking pretty weak. Microsoft fighting morning high. Okay. So, oh, we have war news. Yeah, I think. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. So far, it's looking pretty bearish. So we'll see. Okay, I got out. It's a span that you really lose the VWAP. I'm gonna go for short here, going short here. Like 514. That's a level that looks like it's SPY is holding. I wanna wait and see if it's gonna reject the VWAP or this low here. Because I want to see if it's really gonna go short, like if it's really gonna go lower, or if this was just a move based on news. So if we reject the VWAP here on SPY or the Q, I'm gonna go short. Because I don't see technically like why would a SPY and the Q do this with if it wasn't because of news, because Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta, everything's holding pretty good and looking bullish. Especially Nvidia and Microsoft and Meta. That freaking news stopped me out. I hate when that happens. Look at that. Okay, so I want to see consolidation on the on spine the Q above the VWAP. I pretty much want to see spine the Q doing this. I want to see it holding the VWAP as support, and I'll be back in 1 minute. I need more water. Okay, I'm back. What a mess. We have a very messy morning. I know. looks like a flag, but with that news, move under the VWAP and then it bounced. Now it's holding, but it's rejecting. Nvidia looks pretty bullish. Apple is weak. Google fighting the VWAP. I don't want to go long here again. Just looking at Nvidia. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I like this Q hold. I don't like how SPY is looking. Yeah, it's not doing much after that first push. You're right. Like, I'm not really confident on the upside. I'm not really confident on the downside. I have 15 more minutes to trade. I'm gonna see if I can make a little scalp before leaving. And yeah, that's it. I'm pretty happy with Meta, with my swing on Meta, looking great. And also Apple puts are looking good. But I really want to see a SPY filling this gap here. But I don't think I'll be here for that gap fill. I'm gonna go long here on NQ. I like this hold. I'm looking for a little move to this high, to the previous candle high. I want to see it holding this low. You cannot hold that low, I'm out. I still like this hold here on the Q. Still kind of looks like a flag. That Nvidia flag is also kind of giving me hope that these might break out. Want to see the Q holding here. If not, I'm getting out and I'm done. Yeah, getting out. I don't like that. Okay. Oh. Why was that? What the heck? This type of move is very bullish. It means it doesn't want to go lower. It means it want to keep holding the view up. freaking candle wigged me out. Yeah, Nvidia looks like it wants to boom boom. That's definitely gonna move the Q. I like the Q. I don't like SPY. SPY is looking pretty weak, and the 30-minute time frame on SPY is looking bearish. Like, look bearish with this week and this week, but right now it's holding. And this candle here on the Q, it's an indecision candle. Wicked at the top, wick at the bottom. But SPY keeps fighting 514. SPY keep holding, the Q keep holding, Meta's looking pretty good. Same thing with Nvidia. Apple looking pretty good for us because it's going lower. Again, I like how the Q is holding. I don't like SPY. SPY is holding, but it's looking pretty weak. So kind of like for shorts on SPY and for longs on the Q, but when we have that, like SPY and the Q going different ways, it's very difficult to trade. We don't know which one is gonna win. SPY needs to lose 514 and then bounce and reject there, because it keeps bouncing there. Nvidia looks like it's about to break out. Thank you, Kai. Thank you. Yeah, we have a lot of indecision here. A lot. So the best thing to do is just waiting for either SPY to break to the downside and then retest and reject 514, or wait for the Q to break this high here and then you wait a break and retest there. But so yeah, I'm almost 200 down, I think. Let me see, 198 down today on futures on each account, and I'm up on Meta, and I'm a little bit up on Apple, pretty much flat. But yeah, I guess today was good for options for my swing, and I need to leave right now. I have doctor's appointment like 1 hour and a half and I need to get ready. So I guess see you guys tomorrow. I'll see if I can catch anything later today after coming back home. But yeah, be careful and just be patient here. Wait for a break to either side and then wait for confirmation. Okay, thank you guys, see you mañana.